Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'd like to share with you what I'm doing to obtain financial freedom. Coming up. Number one, I fixed my mindset when it comes to money. Not too long ago that my mindset about money was totally messed up. I didn't really know what money does for me and actually what values does it add to my life. The money was running my life instead of me running the money. So what I did was I started living below my means, which basically means I budget every month and make sure that I know exactly where every penny that I earned is going. So that's what I did for the last 2 years, and it served me pretty well. Second, this will be knowing your financial situation. Whether you're in college or actually you're just working full-time, the job that you don't earn that much. Regardless of the situation, maybe you have to have an honest assessment of the income that you receive and where the money that you earn, you work so hard every day, where it's going. So that's once you do that honest assessment, and then you will know exactly where your money is going. Now we're done with those two. The third one will be opening the right accounts. And there's one account that I will highly recommend, and that will be IRA. And this will be Roth IRA especially. And this will serve you really, really well if you do that. If you just, for example, invest like $100 a month. And then if you do invest like 100 times 12, that's literally $1,200 a month, a year, I mean. So that by the end of the year, literally you will have at least $100 or $200 more which you have invested. And imagine doing that times 30 years. You could be easily millionaires if you do that. If you started investing when you're 18, for example, and by the time you are actually, let's say 18 plus 20 years, by the time you're actually literally 38, so you will have like almost $500,000 if you invest $300 every month. $300 times 12. Technically, I don't have the numbers. If you add, that will be $3,600. $3,600, and then $3,600 times, if you do that times 20 years. I don't have the numbers, but that's an insane amount of money. And usually the IRA will add, I mean, it kind of fluctuates a little bit. It's up and down, but that will add an insane amount of money. So you can easily, by the time you're 30, by the time you're 50 or 60 years old, you're a multimillionaire. The other two more things that I do is I actually keep track of the money that I spend every day and also monitor my credit. And it's very, very critical to just keep track of if your credit is going up or down, or if you miss payment and all that. Because in the future, if you want to buy a house, if you want to rent something, if you want to do something, that will have a significant effect. So you have to pay attention to that. And that's all I have for you guys. And thank you so much for watching, and bye.